Rev AI is a newly released AI software that promises to revolutionize your workflow with its powerful features, but is it truly the best AI tool for your needs? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Rev AI, including its benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's worth trying out for your business or personal use. Stick around till the end to get all the insights, and I'll share my final thoughts to help you make an informed decision. First up, Rev AI is all about transcription and captioning, and it's one of the most advanced tools for speech-to-text technology on the market. It's designed to offer accurate transcriptions, which makes it perfect for content creators, journalists, and anyone in need of quick, reliable transcription services. The accuracy is impressive, especially when it comes to different accents and technical jargon. If you've struggled with unreliable transcription software in the past, Rev AI will likely be a game changer. Another feature that sets Rev AI apart is its flexibility. Whether you need automatic transcription or human transcription, Rev AI has you covered. The software integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms like YouTube, Zoom, and Google Drive, so you can easily pull in your audio and video files for transcription. This saves you a ton of time compared to manually uploading or copying content. The automatic option provides a fast turnaround, while human transcription is there when you need that extra level of accuracy. Let's talk pricing. Rev AI's pricing is highly competitive. They offer a pay-as-you-go model, which means you're only paying for the minutes you transcribe. There's no subscription model required unless you opt for some of the advanced enterprise options, making it a great choice for small businesses and individuals who don't want to commit to a monthly fee. And right now, you can try it for free from the first link below, so you can test it out and see if it meets your needs without any risk. One thing that sets Rev AI apart from many of its competitors is its customization features. If you're dealing with specific industries or niches, Rev AI allows you to create custom vocabularies, ensuring better transcription accuracy for specialized terms. Whether you're in healthcare, legal, or media, this customization feature can really elevate the quality of your transcriptions. When it comes to speed, Rev AI is incredibly fast. Its automatic transcription service can turn around audio files in just a few minutes, and the human transcription service typically delivers in about 12 hours. This is great for those working under tight deadlines. And as a bonus, the software allows you to edit transcriptions directly in its interface, saving you even more time and effort. Rev AI also offers excellent customer support. If you run into any issues, you can reach their support team quickly, and they offer a wide range of tutorials and guides to help you make the most out of the software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find their resources incredibly helpful. Lastly, let's talk about data security. Rev AI takes privacy seriously. All your files are encrypted, and the software is compliant with major data privacy standards like GDPR and CCPA. This is particularly important if you're handling sensitive content. So, is Rev AI the best AI software for your needs? After testing out thousands of AI tools, I can say that it's definitely one of the most efficient and reliable options on the market right now, especially for transcription and captioning needs. And again, you can try Rev AI completely free from the first link below to see if it fits your workflow. If you're looking for other great AI tools to help with productivity, transcription, or even digital marketing, I've got some recommended AI software listed in the description that you can try for free. These tools have been tested by myself and many others in the industry, so check them out and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for more AI tools you can try today.